basket economy, which cannot be salvaged. Afro-optimists are those who believe in the ability of the African people to develop Africa. I belong to that school. But I also subscribe to Nkrumah's theory, which Manyora also believes in, that seek ye the political kingdom first, and everything else shall be built upon it. So I'm saying that the story of the African lion challenging the Asian tiger. African lion sends a message to Asian tiger and tells it that Asian tiger, you have danced on the stage for far too long alone. When I was asleep in the jungles of the Congo, the European bear retreated a long time ago to the poles. The same thing with the American panda. But now I'm awake as an African lion, and I am sitting in the African forest, bounded by the mighty Nile to the east, and the Gambia to the west, the Niger to the west, the Limpopo and the Mbezi to the south, the Congo in the middle. I'm sitting on top of African gold, African diamond, African bauxite, African iron ore, African oil. And I have the ability to transform this wealth into prosperity for my people of Africa. And I will do just that and reclaim the 21st century as truly the African century. Message of African lion to the Asian tiger. So I want to conclude by quoting the former president of the United States of America, who is also a friend of mine, Mr. Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton just to say that those of us entrusted with the leadership must go back to the simple yet complex lesson that President Bill Clinton came up with. Clinton said that if he were to sum up his view of public life, it would come down to this. 1. Are people better off when you quit than when you started? 2. Do children have a brighter future? Are things coming together instead of being torn apart? I believe in this simple doctrine. I believe it will serve our country, and I commend it particularly to our young people. I, together with my colleagues here, 2 of them here, Honorable Kalonzo Musyoka, Honorable Salim Mudavadi, Honorable Moses Wetangula, and Honorable Isaac Ruto are not here with the reasons and excuses. But the 5 of us have signed a covenant between us that we will work together as a team to deliver this country from where it is to where we want it to be, where Kenya wants to be, which will help us to realize the Kenyan dream. The Kenyan dream as coined by the founding fathers of our nation. And you find it in our national anthem, that God of all creation, bless this land, our land and nation. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity, peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our borders. That's the Kenyan dream, which has eluded us. We believe that we have what it takes to realize it. I am grateful to these 4 gentlemen for having confidence in me and giving me the opportunity to run for the president of this country. And I have given them an assurance that I will not let them down. And I'm sure that if we work together, we will be able to deliver this country on the 8th of August. So I say that it is a responsibility of all of us, and particularly the youth of this country, to liberate this country on the 8th of August so that we can start the journey to realize the Kenyan dream. Long live Kenya. I would like to invite my co-principals to come up stage. So they join me here for the unveiling. I just want to make an announcement. First that this book eventually will be sold at 200 shillings a copy. But everybody in here is going to get a copy. Most of our people are not going to buy it. I'm going to get a friend to make contributions to buy it so that I can be able to distribute it to our members when we go to rallies for free. Because we want it to be read as widely as possible by most of our people, particularly the youth, so that they know exactly what we stand for and what we want to do for this country when we take power next month.
Okay, so Honorable Raila, kindly do the honors to unveil the book. Makofi tafadhali. Thank you. In the interest of time, we are going to have a signing ceremony here. We will have copies of the book signed by the Honorable Raila Odinga for our co-principals, our Deputy President, the Honorable Kalonzo, and my three students, Angela, Mohammed, and David. You will also get copies. Sheikh, please join the queue. So we'll have photos. Senator Haniri, Senator Haniri, please come up. Senator Nyongo, Governor Asanga, I'm told my senior Senator Orengo has arrived. Makofi.
Thank you. Thank you.
The three students, where are they? David, Angie, Mohammed. DJ music, please. The students follow each other the way you are, please. The signing is going on. We want to invite all of us to a cocktail session at the back. Please feel free. I believe it's an open bar. But if there are any bills, you can send them to the Senate, Nairobi.